In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract numbers or text from a string in Google Sheets. This is a helpful skill, whether you're managing data, parsing information from multiple sources, or simply cleaning up your spreadsheets. So let's get started on this step-by-step guide. First, open the Google Sheet where you wish to perform the extraction. If it's a new project, go ahead and create a new sheet. Once your Google Sheet is ready to go, click on any cell to select it, as this is where we'll begin our extraction process. Now, let's move to cell B2. Here, we'll use a basic Google Sheets function named left. Type the formula equals left A2 into cell B2. This formula is designed to extract characters starting from the left side of a string. If you don't specify a character count, it defaults to 1, meaning it will extract just the first character from the string in cell A2. After typing the formula, press the Enter key to execute it. You'll see the first character from the string that's in cell A2 appear in cell B2. It's that simple. But what if you need to extract more than just one character? Well, let's see how we can do that with the next step. Click on cell B3. This time, type in the formula thus left A3.2. With this formula, we're instructing Google Sheets to extract the first two characters from the string located in cell A3. Again, once typed in, hit the Enter key to see the result appear in cell B3. Continue this process for cells up to B5. Each time, you'll adjust the formula as necessary depending on how many characters you want to extract from the corresponding cell in column A. Now let's explore the right function, which does exactly the opposite. It extracts characters starting from the right side of a string. Go to cell B6 and enter the formula right A6. When the Enter key is pressed, you should see the last character of the string from cell A6 appear in cell B6. For this exercise, let's continue applying the right function all the way down to cell B9. You can adjust the number of characters in the right function's argument if you need more than one character extracted. Example insight. At each cell step, ensure your data's consistency. Mismatches might cause your formulas not to work as expected. Practice and experiment with different formulas to see how they fit your data extraction needs perfectly. And there it is. Now you know how to use both the left and right functions effectively in Google Sheets to extract parts of a string either from the beginning or the end. Thank you for watching, and keep experimenting with more Google Sheets formulas to unlock the power of your data handling.